What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video. So today we'll be doing some hard pulls in my tuned G37. So I hope you guys ready for this. I apologize about not getting the tuned video for you guys. I actually had something and I lost all my content, but it's all right because I remote tuned anyway. So I actually didn't put this car on the dyno. I got remote tuned by admin. The car runs flawless, y'all. When I mean flawless, like it runs better than it ever did. So that's one good thing I can say about it. I have 4 maps. I have performance for number 1. Number 2 is pops and burbles, flames. Number 3 is eco mode, and number 4 is my security mode. Basically, like it cuts off the car, the fuel, and all that other stuff. So right now I got it in eco mode. I'm on the back roads just cruising, chilling. So I'm gonna pull over to the side, switch it over. I can switch it over on my phone, but I'm recording right now, so I'm gonna just pull over real quick. But yeah, man, I'm sorry, y'all. I've been gone for like 3 weeks. I've just been focusing on myself, trying to get my life together, man. Y'all know how it be. You gotta put yourselves first before anything. So just been chilling, man, focusing, trying to get everything all situated. So you can see right there, I was in number 3. That's my eco. This pops and burbles, and that's performance mode. So let's get to that. Yeah, man, the car runs flawless, y'all. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. He told me that he put a map up here. Well, not a map. He gave me the log that made. He said this how much I made, basically. E38. I'm like, man, that is perfect. I'm not running E85, but I'm full bolt on. I have still in Gen 3, long tube intakes, full exhaust with high full cats. Ported upper and lower manifold, so I didn't even get to get y'all that video just because I lost footage. But the day I tuned my car, I made sure that I put my upper and lower plenum on, and guess what, y'all won't even believe this. I found a ported upper and lower plenum at I Pull You Pull. So man, that's crazy. That was really a blessing right there. I got them for the low too, so I put those on, and then same day I remote tuned my car. So we about to go do some hard pulls, and I'm gonna show y'all what this tune does. So make sure y'all share this. Give me a like, give me a comment, man. Give me some love down in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about it, what y'all got planned for y'all cars, and we're gonna get into this video, so just stay tuned. All right, this is a first gear pull, y'all. I'm gonna keep the freaking traction on just because where we at, you know that, but yeah, man, this thing, I ain't gonna lie, admin really opened this car up. I really ain't get to test it on a couple cars. I raced a 340, not an M340, but it's just a regular 340, and did them in. I raced the BMW 550, I believe, just a regular one. Did that in, and that's it. I really ain't get to race no G37s or no nothing else really, no scat packs, RTs, none of that. So I'm just waiting on that right there so I can really test it. I just came to wake the neighborhood up real quick. One thing about this tune, what I really noticed, whatever he did, like, this car just sucks in so much air. Pause on the suck part, but this car sucks in a lot of air now. Like, I hear my intakes just breathing real heavy. I don't know what they got going on up here. Another thing I forgot to say, this car pulled something crazy in driving DS too. Every gear this car pulled, even in 7th. 7th, this joint even pulled like even. Even like downshifts, all of that, everything be so aggressive now. Like not even in like a hard way, like pause. Like it be smooth aggressive. Like so my pops and bangs, those definitely got quiet too. Let me make sure I'm in that. All right, definitely I'm in that map. But those definitely got quieter. But my RPM, that triangle, don't worry about it. I gotta go get gas, y'all. My light just came on these back roads. But even my car revs to like a higher RPM too. But I'm about to wrap this video up. I'm gonna give y'all a little nice, little spicy end clip, and then I'm off to the gas station because I need some gas, yo. I hope I got that on camera, but that's it of this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll make sure I have another video for you guys coming up next Thursday or Friday, so just stay tuned for that. It's your boy Mo, and I'm out. Peace.